Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This end of day report has been recorded on Monday, August the 28th, 2017. We're now into the after hours, and as you can see on the screen, the silver futures has gapped up on the open. We closed at 1744. The market gapped up and opened at $17.61. Here is a look at the bottom of the screen on the 4 hour. See the gap up. Here it is on the 1 hour. You're probably asking why in the world this happened, what's going on. The answer is North Korea has fired a missile over Japan. As a result of that, here's the stock market. Stock index futures opened up, gapped down as well. You got bearish 2-bar Charlies all over the place. Look at the Dow futures. You got a bearish 2-bar Charlie. It's down 133 points. S&P down 18.5. NASDAQ down 51. Things are just popping off. You got the dollar taking a huge hit, down 54 pips, about to drop into the 91 handle, and things are just on fire, folks. Not too many people covering this, but it just came over the wire that this has popped off, and the precious metals are exploding in the after hours as a result of it. Also, in addition to that, Bitcoin has now also exploded higher. It's up a little over 1%, now trading at 43.84 after hitting 43.98. Litecoin is up almost 2.5%. Ripple has surged almost 12%. So markets are really moving here in the after hours trading. Just wanted to put you guys up on that in case you didn't hear, in case you don't know what's going on. Just wanted to cover that. Obviously, the markets are a little spooked by this development. So your markets are responding in like kind. As far as the bond market, look here at this. We just broke back into the 156 handle. It's up 19/30 seconds. All right, so bonds are rallying. This is very interesting. This development, don't know what's going to really happen as a result, but this is what's up. Steam is up almost 2%, trading at 145 after hitting 155. Things are just happening. What can I say? Veritasium, let's see. Last I checked, it was down 0.50%. Let me see if I can get a quick update for you on that one. Just wild things happening. That's all I can say. Some wild things happening. All right. Let's see. Yep, it's down 0.50%. Last trade was 0.3000. So that's where you are in the Veritasium. Okay, so let's take a look at some more charts. You've seen silver, obviously. You see how it's at $17.60 now. It's on fire. Let's see if this is real, though. Can this be real? Look at this weekly here in the corner. All right, we're still under that Kumo cloud, and it's going exactly where I anticipated it was going to go. The only question is it going to get smacked here, or is this going to really happen? The old saying, buy the rumor, sell the news, or sell the fact. So here this is. Can this bust up in the cloud? Is this going to be a long-term thing, or just like a knee-jerk reaction? Tough to say right now. We got to just trade what we see. If you are long in these metals, if you are trading with the post-wave price triggers, the post-wave price triggers did get you long into gold and silver today. So you're going to appreciate that. All right, let's take a look and see on the big screen the weeklies here. Let's see what we got. All right, this is what it's looking like on your silver. All right, we've bested this. This is what we were looking for. We bested it. Still got to close above this for the week, but if this is looking good, though. You got that momentum, so it's looking good. Let's see what the gold is looking like. All right, taking a look at gold here. Gold is really surging right now. It's starting to break away, starting to head higher here. So I'm liking the gold. It's finally getting its footing. Let's see what the GBTC is in the Bitcoin space. All right, I'm liking this too. We hit a new high, 778. Getting closer to that 800. Too bad it doesn't have an extended hours. There's nothing you can do about it. It's just done. When the 4 o'clock bell came, it stopped trading. Yep, it's done. No more trading. All right, let's see NVIDIA. What NVIDIA's doing here. Got a little bit of green on the screen. It's setting up to make that run up to, looks like it wants to go back to 175 and run. All right, so got an alert on this one. I think it wants to run, wants to pop. Let's see what else we got here. XIV. XIV tried to hang in there today. You see where it is now. All right, there you go on there. It's flatlined as of right now, but I'm sure it's gonna pick up, because if you look here at the bottom of the screen on the right, look at this 1 hour bar. Yeah, collapsed in turn with this. So we closed at 82.02. Last trade was 78.20. Ouch. That's $4 fall there, folks. $4 gap down. So if these things keep falling overnight, that's a wrap. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if this is just a knee-jerk reaction to news. Is this a news-driven event, or are we going to catch legs? Is the market going to catch feelings over this? That's going to be the question. That's what we're looking for. All right. Let's see. Look at our GDXJ. What we got going on? All right. GDXJ caught a bid from this. All right. We closed at 35.24, and after hours we hit 35.80. So it's running. It's starting to run now. Let's take a look at old-fashioned JNUG. Can it get off the floor? Is it doing a little something? Let's see. Whoa, there we go. Okay, JNUG finished up 215. All right. Let's see what else we want to look at. Let's see. Let's look at Hackensack. What's up with the hack? What is it doing? All right, so not too much. It's quiet. Trading around $29. But on the weekly, it's looking like it wants to try to catch a bid and get back up to above the trend line here of 29.48. So we'll see. Not too far away from that now. All right, let's see what's going on with this Dow. Let's look at the Dow futures. All right, so you saw, this is where we are now. Starting to move down. Take a look at this 1 hour and 4 hour chart at the bottom of the screen. You see it just broke away to the downside. Can we get a reversal? Back up to the top side? Are we going to fill this gap? What's going to happen? We do have a gap that needs to be contended with. So definitely going to be watching this to see what happens tonight. But so far, markets are looking rather interesting. We shall see where we go from here. But keep in mind, folks, the markets are still down and they have not reversed yet. All right, so the markets could be catching feelings here, folks. Keep your eyes and ears open on this one. And I'm gonna be all over this one, trading room. So let's monitor what we got. If you took the signals in the gold and silver, make sure you use those stops, especially if you're trading futures. Don't get decapitated trading the silver futures. The silver futures can really, really run. It can do some amazing things when it gets ready to do it. All right, gold can do some things too, so just be careful. We don't know if the central banks are going to be able to stop it this time. Is it just going to run, or are they going to be successful in smacking it down again? Let's see. We don't know what's going to happen. Just use them stops, and I'll be getting the new pulse waves out, working on it right now as we speak. So that's about it for now. Just remember, we got some new classes coming to the Learning Academy, so you're going to want to register as soon as possible. Admittance to the Learning Academy is free with your purchase of your monthly subscription to the weekly pulse wave price triggers. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back to these greedy central banks. Peace out.